Sanbonani guys, Ncwane decides to pass on the mic to her oldest son. She decides to pass the baton down to her oldest son. So you know that this past weekend they were celebrating Ubabu Sfiso Ncwane's unveiling ceremony, and in that ceremony, I guess she saw a fit moment to pass on the mic to her son. She pinned a message on Instagram where she says, "As your mother and the prophet of your life, 7 years later, I am led to pass the baton down to you, to release the mantle from your dad that has been hanging. It's not going to be easy, but I know in my spirit you are ready for the world. Take your tool and go serve. From today henceforth, you are no longer just Sfiso's son. I release you from his shadow, but stand on his gigantic shoulders. Take your position, your space, and go make you mark and draw your own footprint. In Jesus' name I decree. I decree." So I guess Ayanda Ncwane's older son sings as well, because she says, "Take your tool, the mic, and go serve." So I think he sings, or if he doesn't sing, he's into something with the music industry. And I have to say, on behalf of everyone else, congratulations to him. One thing I love about Ayanda Ncwane, as I've said, is that she's really embraced this moment with both of her hands, and we are here for it. I'm glad that she's carrying on Sfiso Ncwane's legacy by making sure that the son as well gets to partake of what of the labor that the father did in the gospel industry. We love Ayanda Ncwane, and we are just saying, well done, Mama, and continue with the hard work, continue with the beautiful work that you are doing in these boys' lives. Please do make sure that you like the video, and please do subscribe. It's for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.